Welcome to the Chronos Smartsheet Learning Series. Today, we're going to learn how to share a sheet. Let's check it out. Step 1. Within your sheet, navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen and select the Share button. A sharing prompt will appear on your screen. Within the prompt, you will have the ability to invite collaborators, determine their permissions, and customize your notification message. Step 2. Within the sharing prompt, choose your collaborators, determine their permissions, customize your notification message, and select Share Sheet. Once shared, the person you shared the sheet with will receive an email notification letting them know that they have been added to the sheet as a collaborator. Thanks for watching this edition of the Chronos Smartsheet Learning Series. To learn more, check us out at www.chronoscg.com or find us on social media.